We're gonna be looking at the ZK voting sampled app, which is being developed as proof of concept using zero knowledge proofs, to be more specific using zk-snarks, and it's currently deployed on Harmony DevNet and Polygon Mumbai testnet. So I'm gonna be using Harmony DevNet here, and as you can see, there are already some polls created. So the way it works is, you can check it out here. So the steps we're gonna take is, first we will register a ZK ID, then we will be able to create a poll and invite others to vote. And things to note is that the ZK ID is stored in the local storage, and you can also download it if you want to use your ZK ID with your some other address. So ID is not linked to any wallet, so that's why it's like ZK ID. And your identity commitment, which is like a hash of the keys which will be provided to you, will be stored on the smart contracts which are being deployed, and proofs are generated in the browser using Circum. So alright, so let's see. So we can first register it. So there are like two keys here, which is identity trapdoor and nullifier. You can just download them as well. Currently there's no option to restore the keys. I'll be providing that in the future releases. So once it's done, you can hit register, and it's gonna register the commitment on the blockchain. However, the keys will not be published, and we are just waiting for the confirmation. Alright, so confirmation is done. Now you can just go on and create the poll. So let's call it do you like to eat sushi, because I love sushi. And let's say the poll requires minimum 2, and let's hit create. Now it's gonna create the poll, and once the poll is created and transaction is confirmed, it should appear here. So let me just refresh. There's no auto refresh at the moment. Alright, as you can see, this is the poll we created with like quorum required for this voting or poll to pass is 2. Now I can start the poll. And once the poll is started, basically then you'll be able to vote with any other. So there's no auto refresh here, like I have not done state updates on like when the transaction is confirmed, so most probably I will do that in the next release. So as you can see here, now anyone can vote on this, but you need to have like a commitment registered, then you'll be able to vote. And I can use the same ID, like same keys, ZK ID, with any other wallet, so in that kind of sense it's anonymous. So let's just cast a vote here. Do you like to eat sushi? Yes, I like to eat sushi, and we hit yes, and it's gonna generate the proof and verify that I exist in the Merkle tree, and then it's gonna register my vote. Now once the transaction is confirmed, which is confirmed, we should see the updated votes here. So as you can see, we can see the total votes as 1, and we voted yes, so we can see yes. Alright, so for more understanding, you can explore the code, and that's it for this video. Thank you.